Hey everyone, tonight, in the living room, it's finally got the parts for Colorado to do an intercooler upgrade. So let's unbox it. So what we got here is the intercooler in this box, and in this box we have the intercooler piping kit and the silicon joiners. I'll go through a few of the specs in a minute, but right now let's open it. Now, don't have a tripod yet, so, well, don't have one at all, but I'll open this box up and then we'll have a look, shall we? So bought all these off eBay, or Turbo, eBay company, all from China probably. Haven't really looked, probably most likely, more than likely from Asia somewhere. Not that there's anything wrong with that, everything's made there anyway. So let's have a look. Packaged pretty well, I suppose. Now, box is pretty heavy, but I mean, on all accounts, it's a bar and plate intercooler, so they are just heavy things. They're packaged pretty well. Foam on the other side. I'll unwrap it and we'll have a look. Back again. Looks pretty good. I mean, it's not a real expensive bit of gear, so it's not going to be perfect, but I've bought a few intercoolers online before and they've done fine. They do the job. I mean, this here, you would think anyway, would be better than the factory intercooler, which would be about half its size. Yeah, looks pretty good, doesn't it? Comes with spacer kit. Alright, so just a few of the specs of the actual cooler. I've got them written down here, so I'll just read them out. So it's bar and plate, universal front mount, air to air. The overall measurements here are, so from here to the end over here is 635 millimeters by 305 this way, and 76 thickness, so 3-inch thick. The actual core itself is approximately 457 mils from here to there. Now, most of the, well, good value for money ones that come like painted black already, like the, I think it's Aeroflow, do a black front mount. That's, I think it's 350 this way, and I think it's a bit more, it's about, I reckon it ends up being about 650, something like that. Don't quote me on it. It's a bit longer this way. Now, I saw someone use the Aeroflow one and it's a tight fit. when they put the elbows here to go towards the rad support, they actually had to trim the rad support. So, I mean, the way that I understand it, it sits this way up for the Colorado. Sits this way up, and then you elbow off the sides towards the engine. Now, oh yeah, that's the other thing. 2.5 inch inlet outlet on both sides, so you can see, like, I mean, it's not, we're not talking super high quality here, but yeah, if it does the job, good enough for me. 2.5 inch on that side. Now, I think that's all the specs we need. So yeah, I could have gone bigger, but you know what? I'd rather not trim the rad support. And plus I've got I'm putting in a winch as well, so wasn't sure how much room we got to play with in there. So I just I've seen people with like the generic, the big one, like I said, 650 I think it is by 350, and it's just a tight squeeze in there, and they put it up close to the grill, and I want to tuck it back near the actual radiator. So went for one that's just a little bit smaller. Now let's have a look at the pipe kit. Alright, so the intercooler pipe kit. This one's from GPI Racing on eBay as well. Now I bought a kit off of these guys, pretty much the same company, for my supercharged ute in a 2 1/4, but never used it. But yeah, it comes pretty well packaged. Again, we're not talking like big dollar stuff, but I mean, it's alley 2.5, universal, and I mean, the pipe work doesn't need to go too far in the Colorado, so I purposely looked for a kit that had both 90-degree long, like that one there, this one, and then you got short ones, and then you got like half radius and straights and that. So I mean, work, I've got all the tooling to cut this stuff if we need to, or TIG welder if I need to TIG weld anything, or the bead roller, I think that's what it's called, to get get that little step there if I need to trim anything. Yeah, have a look under here. Comes with all the connectors as well. Now, I'm not going to pull it all out because I need to take all this into the shed. I'll fit this in a couple of minutes. Fit in a couple of minutes. I meant I need to take it into the shed and then fit it in a couple of weeks. So that's what I was trying to say. Couple of minutes. Yeah, it's all there. So in terms of price, Intercooler was 170. That's pretty good. And the pipe kit was about 200. Alright, now this is universal. Now most of well, I looked at 3 kits that were ready made for the Colorado, and it's, I think they start at about $2,000, and various ones. I saw one that was $3,000. So I mean, for the sake of, I'm pretty handy. I mean, I can work this out and try and make, I've seen a few people make universal kits work, so we're going to give it a shot. See how we go.